Hello everyone, my name is Vika and welcome to my channel VikaBakes. Today we're going to bake some, as you can see by this color, lemon rogaliki. Americans call them rugelaches, and I guess some other people also, but I don't know, I'm not sure, but I call them rogaliki. And we are going to make a filling with apricots and almonds, which I think is perfect combo for this. And also it is in season right now, apricots. So yeah, as you can tell, my favorite recipes are with lemon. So I'm super excited. Let's get started. So it's super fast. So preheat your oven 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And let's get started. So we're going to use blender. You can also use a mixing bowl and just mix it with a mixer or whisker. I'm going to do it super fast in the blender. And so we're just going to mix all the ingredients, and you can see all the ingredients in the description below. So we're going to need 150 grams of regular flour, and then 50 grams of almond flour, then 40 grams of coconut sugar, 40 grams of sour cream, and you can use a Greek yogurt, $30 grams of cold butter, unsalted of course, and 4 egg yolks. So first you're going to use the egg yolks, and you can save your egg whites and we can make something else with it. And the last part, of course, lemon. We're going to get some lemon zest. Like half a lemon is enough, and we're going to pour in there, and we also have some here. Here we go, and that's it. Oh wait, vanilla. Drop of vanilla, and we're good to go. Let's blend. Let's see how it looks. I think it's done. Nice and sticky.
That's what she said.
Okay guys, so now we have a fun part. I'm going to use parchment paper. Great. And now we're going to place it onto the parchment paper using a spatula or a spoon, whatever you have. I will even sprinkle some flour on top of the parchment paper because it's a very sticky consistency. It was a bad idea. You didn't see that, right? And don't tell anyone. And here we go. Okay, I will use my hands. They're clean, I promise. Okay, I think I'm done with all the stickiness. And now you will probably need to wash your hands. Put some more flour on top, and we're going to cover it with another layer of parchment paper. And we're going to use the rolling pin. Okay, some more flour, some more parchment paper. Wait for it. Ah, it worked. Yeah, I wanted it to be bigger.
That's what she said.
I will save this one for some other time. Here we go. And now we're going to roll it. They see me rolling the hay thing.
Although it's apparent I'm too wide and nerdy, I'm just too wide and nerdy.
Okay, it's moving too much. What should I use for it? Maybe I can place it on the silicone mat. It worked! If you place a silicone mat under this, it will not move. Great, right? Life hack. And I think we're done. So now you can try to remove it from the parchment paper. Whoo! Nice, right? As you can tell, it's still sticky, but we'll put some more flour onto it. Okay, should be good to go. A little bit more. I think now we're ready to make our filling. For the filling, we will need, I will use 2 apricots for this, okay? So mine are big, and if you have smaller ones, you can use 3 maybe. And I'm going to blend them. Ta-da! In the blender. And I have washed them already, so I'm just going to throw it in there. And I'm going to mix it with almonds. You can use like whole almonds, for example. I have like sliced almonds, so like this. And as a sweetener, we're going to add some coconut sugar, a healthy sweetener, right? So we'll add like 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar. Of course, you can use any sweetener you like. That's it. Let's blend it. Wow, a magical blender appears. So the consistency should be like this, like a jam consistency, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to make it even jammier or thicker. You can remove the blade. You're going to use a pizza cutter to cut 16 slices. We'll try to do 16. Done! And now we're going to place the filling onto each rogalik, and we're going to roll it. Let me try to do it. It's a little bit difficult because it's sticky, but we can do this. Oh, don't put too much of the filling like I did. Do the right way. Okay, and now we can prepare our pan sheet that we're going to bake it on. And we also need some silicone mat or parchment paper. And now just keep going. Let's make 16 of them. And it's done! Ready, ready! So we're going to send these beautiful boys, girls, guys into the oven for 10 minutes. We're going to check on it. And now you can just relax, have fun. See you in 10 minutes. Bye! Ta-da! It's done. So it took me 15 minutes and they're nice and golden brown. And I can't wait to try them. So this is how they look. Okay, there you have it. Our a lemon rugelache with apricot filling and some almonds inside. Very nice and crispy, and I can't wait to try them. Very delicious and also fast to make. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you make it, share with someone else, and subscribe and like. And I see you in my next video every single week. Bye!